Finally, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be slightly wider and slimmer than the S22 Ultra, but despite that it will feature the same battery size and display size, Samsung is going all in with Qualcomm's Snapdragon process for the S23 lineup. And according to the new information from ICE Universe, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will have considerable improvements in NPU, which is the AI chip, the ISP, which is the camera chip, and the GPU, the graphics chip. Judd Heat, Vice President of Product Management for Camera, Computer Vision, and Video of Qualcomm, had an interview with Android Authority to discuss his thoughts about the future of smartphones photography. According to him, AI photography can be divided into 4 stages. The first stage is where AI recognizes a specific object or scene in an image. In the second stage, AI controls the so-called 3 of features: autofocus, auto white balance, and auto exposure. The third stage is where I understand the different segments or elements of the scene. And in fourth stage, Judd says I will be capable enough to process an entire image. According to him, you could ask AI to make a picture look like a National Geographic scene, which will adjust the colors, texture, white balance, and everything else to make a picture look like what you asked for. The S23 Ultra front and back is identical to the S22 Ultra with some possible minor variations. It is being reported on SmartPrix that the display will remain 6.8 inches for the larger S23 Ultra, with the identical camera array, which is a combo of 108 megapixel for the main camera, 12 megapixel, ultra-wide camera, and dual 10 megapixel cameras on the rear capable of 10x zoom. Without a doubt, the peak brightness of the display will be increased to complete with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. As of now, the iPhone 14 Pro Max sports a maximum 2000 nits of brightness, while the current Samsung flagship S22 Ultra is at 1750 nits of maximum brightness, so the S23 Ultra will aim even higher. Now guys, stop hoping for a charger to ever come back inside the box. Instead, it's time to invest in a proper good charger that will recover all your needs. Samsung is actually working on face recognition system for its future Galaxy S series and Z series flagship phones. The application discusses uses of 2 cameras placed under the display to create a better 3D model of the user's face. Quite a bit like the Face ID, but more like a different way of doing it. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. Peace out.